good.
Hello, sir. How's it going? Do you have your driver's license insurance with you?
I got insurance. You just call it in and tell you I got it.
Okay, you know you're supposed to have it on you, right?
I got it right here. Oh, all you got to do is call it in and they tell you I got it.
I understand that, but you understand you're supposed to have a valid one in your car, right? What about ID? Driver's license? Anything? Where you headed? Where you headed, sir?
Home.
Home? On Stillman still?
Delta 365.
Sir?
This is suspicious activity
On Stillman or?
2602
Huh?
Cleo
Yes, sir.
260
Okay, that's what I'm asking you. I don't know if you still live here or
In the
not.
corner house of Cleo and Francis, there's going to be a white Dodge pickup.
I understand that part, sir, but like I said, you're supposed to have a valid one on you, okay?
The address for the
The
house.
whole reason I stopped you is you were in 2 lanes back here, and your license plate light is out, okay?
No problem. You give me a ticket.
Okay, well, I'm not saying I'm going to give you a ticket. I'm just letting you know why I pulled you over. Okay, where you coming from?
No problem with it, man. Do what you got to do so I can go home, get some rest, and go take care of my business.
Okay, where are you coming from?
Work, man. I've got a lot of things going on, man. If you knew who I was, you'll understand my situation. I come from the docks. I'm a walking foreman. I'm a sit code. Give me what I got to do, man. I got to keep rolling.
Okay, well, I'm in the middle of an investigation. That's why I'm just talking to you, just talking.
Investigation?
Yeah, I see.
Investigation. Just give me some tickets. Give me everything you said I done. Give me some tickets. They'll throw it out, man. I know them people down there. They know my situation.
Okay, well, I'm still going to ask these questions because I do to everybody, okay?
Thank you.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Arrested before?
Yes, no?
1,000 times, man.
Okay, for what?
Call it in, man. Bring it up on your computer, man.
Sir, I know how to do my job. I'm just asking you simple questions and...
I don't want to answer no questions.
Okay, go and step out for me real quick, okay? Face the car.
You
You have anything on your pocket? In your pockets you're going to poke me or stick?
I don't think I got
Okay. You don't think so?
Correction,
Leave your hands up there for me, okay?
They were last seen in the parking lot of the school, drinking and racing. Unknown direction of travel.
What's that?
I said you can put it in my pocket if you want to.
Okay.
Look down there.
A sock, I think.
Why are you doing all this, sir? You stopped me. Did you say you stopped me from speeding or something?
No, sir, I didn't.
Cross the light?
No, not at all.
What you say you stopped me for?
I stopped you because you were in the middle, you were in 2 lanes and your license plate lights out. Come back here for me, okay? Hold on, I'm having you have a seat in my car just for right now so I can verify everything like you said,
Yeah,
okay?
but I got insurance and everything. You can't.
You don't have insurance. You don't have valid insurance on your car. You showed me. Sir, just have a seat for me. You're not under arrest.
I'm not gonna get in
Okay,
that
that's
car.
fine. You don't want to do that?
Man.
I don't have to do anything.
I'm saying I got insurance and everything.
You have expired insurance on that car.
Call it in, man. Call it
I
in.
don't do that. That's not what we do, man. Okay?
Call it in, man.
Have a seat.
I'm not gonna have a seat.
Okay, that's fine. You don't want to have a seat, then don't have a seat. Put your hands on your back. I'm gonna detain you for
Put
now.
my hand back? No.
I'm gonna detain you right now. Don't fight me, or you're gonna get. Don't fight. Don't fight me, man.
Say, man, what's up? I'm not fighting you.
There's a 3, 2, 1 more. Back up, you're gonna get tased.
Wait, shoot me. Go ahead. Tase me.
There's a 3, 2, I got 1 taste. Get out of the fucking car! You're taking off! Delta 310, he's going down Winnebago. Delta 310, he just passed Peabody. We're going to be taking a left on Van Loan. He's going to be resisting traffic stop. He's been tased already once. Taking a right on Coquille. Going towards Nueces Bay right now. Taking a right on Palm. Pulling into a residence. Stand by. It's gonna be a quick pursuit. Still running in on Palm. Get back! Running in the backyard.
Having a doctor mission one.
Get the fuck down, man. Get the fuck off me, man. You're gonna get shot, dude. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck up. Oh! You're gonna get shot. Get off me. Get off me, man. Let go. Let go. Get off of me. Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! Get your hands out! I'm over here! I'm over here!
Alright?
I'm over here!
Yes.
Stay right there, don't move! Tell them to start a medic, we got shots fired! Right here! Right here! Come up! Start a medic!